Hey, this is Roxanne. I'm back at Curious Mondo, and I'm here to tell you about my upcoming course, leaf printing on cloth. This is probably one of my most favorite techniques and the most special to me. It's very dear to my heart. I'm going to take you through the process of actually transferring the color and shape of leaves to cloth. So we're going to be working with cotton, we're going to be working with silk, maybe a little bit of wool as well. And so I'm going to show you my technique for doing that. I'm going to cover things like scouring, different types of mordant, also combining mordants. We'll cover what a mordant actually is, what it does, and then I'll get into leaf collecting, preservation, and the golden rules of foraging. And this will work. These techniques that I'm going to show you will work anywhere. So no matter where you are in the world, I will give you the ability to test things in your own backyard to see what's possible with your landscape. I hope you'll join me.